we're just going to go to Safeway for a half a minute. Come aboard.
I'm sorry things were a disaster with Grace's mother. Oh. When people lose patience with them, is what I'm finding. Elderly people almost burst into tears. If people lose patience, it's kind of like I can't help it.
I have thermometers all over the garden because if I lose the epiphyllums, that would be the
Would you bring them inside then?
Oh, I'll have to bring them all in under the garage and then put 200. We have 250 hooks.
And didn't you have a little heater there?
Yeah, 3.
Okay, even though you don't want to come.
Why don't I want to come?
To the birthday, our December.
Oh, because Grace is taking me away.
That's the size.
Well,
it's impossible.
What's that?
So it'll be a
8 is a nice size, but we'll never see a group that size. There's just too many of us. And that's hard when that happens.
It's hard to see when you're right.
And we did something different this time too, Grace. Ron and I got inspired yesterday morning. Usually I set up a table. This idea, if we did a little rearranging in the dining room, we could get everybody in the dining room. And we get an extra table set up in the dining room.
So did you rearrange your dining room?
Did you have a sit-down dinner?
Well, yeah, but usually we have tables all
didn't
throughout.
you serve everybody?
6 right along beside it.
That's
Does it have a number? Yeah.
Yeah.
108.
all right. Well, that's what you do. So I You're really getting all of this stuff today.
Everybody's gone home. In 1 second.
It's so funny when
Bloody fixins.
you got the rest of them. She always says.
Bring a bottle of wine. They didn't. They all brought 2 or 3.
Well, let's see.
No, I
Well,
don't.
we can go in a little bit. All right.
Is that okay about you?
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Hi. I'm trying to appear to be a sailor, but I have a lot going against me. Lack of talent, lack of knowledge, lack of ambition, lack of basic seamanship. Other than that, I'm
You
doing
have
okay.
desire.
Yeah. Not one long shot, are you?
No, I don't think so. I think that's about right.
Honestly lost, or do you think we'll ever see San Leandro?
San
Oh, then you need to have the boat shoes.
Vastly a beam.
Just heads.
Vast.
A vast.
Vast she lies.
We have probably an ebb right now.
I hope you're not.
So if you get over there,
Sometimes if you work.
No, that's bringing you in again. I'm not touching.
what they should do at 8-4 or stuff like that.
Yeah. How they copy
Now,
a straight line, how they copy a slant
I just don't want to touch anything but this red button.
The top one brings it all the way wide, and then when it's full wide, then just hit the little red button to start and stop it.
If they're more, what happens more is you get an 8-year-old
Now,
that's functioning at a 5-year-old. Then you can say, oh, looky, on this house he only scored. Sure, yeah.
Take your finger off the button.
You know, they have other areas that are
Gentle with dyslexia.
Probably as she was in college.
No, in college. Before she was.
Well, you're sure when the red button is on, it's supposed to. Oh, here comes record.
I made a remark and I said, even looking for scenery.
Yes, it's going, Ron.
Okay,
I've
we're
got a
now-
nice shot now.
Now,
And she said, well,
on the high seas, somewhere lost. We don't know where. We think we're someplace near San Francisco or Sausalito or San Leandro. We're making this recording in the hope that if we're lost at sea, somebody will pick up this tape and find some evidence of where we were, because we were terribly lost. And so is Grace when it comes to running the video camera.
Got it. Ricky.
Academy in the first class. He was number 2 or number 1.
Everybody doing very well, Grace.
Oh, you're just absolutely in the focus here.
Everybody very exotic.
Oh, no.
Are you immortalizing me on
What
tape?
I do, I want a profile. You have to look straight ahead. There we are.
Someplace out there is our port.
The girls are all furs and the boys are all mine.
You're being immortalized on tape. Smile.
The magic wand. Magic wand?
July is what it's all about.
To do, there was the fact that he was a math teacher and little things that he used to do with us as kids. A lot of word problems he would throw out that were games in the car. Anytime we were in a car trip or something, he made math fun for us.
I wish someone would have.
And he said it's just laying out a formula to how to get your brain to think logically. And so that says it to me.
Terrific help. Just a terrific help. And a sailboat would not tip over. And I mean, why, if it heeled very far, it would not go over?
30 and we'll stay with any problem.
And you all of a sudden realize that no matter how heavy the winds are, or how strong the winds are, and no matter how much you're heeled over, you're not going to, go over and do a flip. Connecticut. And she was around sailboats all her life. In fact, it was the doctor that saved Rick's life with his neck when he broke his neck. It was very heavy winds that day. I think we were about 30, 35 knots. And she turned as white as this, and she couldn't swallow. And she was petrified. And she said, we immediately rushed a safety harness on her and it's a life jacket. And over and over again, haven't we? Every time anyone gets really scared or frightened, when a boat is heeling, they are not swimmers. They can't swim.
His wife was asleep down below.
No.
Oh, yes.
Did you read it?
Yeah.
What happened?
Boy, it's the scariest thing. He hollered.
He fell overboard?
He fell over the back end, and she was asleep down below. Just the two of them on board.
Oh,
And he hollered, and her sleep hurt him. And she got up by the time he was just a little dot, and she remembered all of her man overboard things. And she came back, and she circled, and he grabbed the rope. He was out. They were doing
Was it at night?
No, it was not at night. It was
How
in the
did he
daytime.
happen to fall off?
To get to Angel Island, it's now 1:20. The lack of wind has prevented us, so we're now motoring. And that's the direction we're going.
Tell us where we're going. Okay. Okay.
port, Jack.
Aren't we having fun?
Yeah, 172, all line aspers.
Well, everybody sees run will eat. We'll have a little wine, I guess. Let's have ours open. What is it? Do you have holes in the thing already?
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna
Last
say.
year's Christmas present, finally did.
A car case is one of those things. And what do you do? Buy it with the holes ready in there? His wife, who was off the coast of Ireland, and he was gone, and he was in the bottom of the boat. Since high seas, the mast had gone, and they were cruising all over the place. But it was demise. You got any cruising? Well, it's fun to go from here to Monterey.
We're on board now, honey. Come on. We're gonna have soup, turkey soup.
And he said,
And then he said, I said, that's true. Swiss chocolate is my favorite. And as he was walking out the door,
Is my pie out there?
about
Yes, it
20
is,
minutes
Grace.
later, he looked at the box, he looked at the door, and he said, you know, I've never tasted Swiss chocolate before. I said, oh, yeah. I said, that
How old
would
is
be
this
great."
kid?
3rd grade. And Swiss chocolate is good.
It is delicious. The Europeans had no
Four, oh gosh, Jane. 4 pumpkins and 1 apple.
His truck is in Utah because he's building there.
What you doing?
He's building a house in Utah.
Live in?
To live, well, it's a spec house. But he hasn't worked in San Francisco because he's going back and forth between the two right now. We do on our bathroom. Ron on Wednesday night and said I'll be in, but I can't get in. But they've given me a for sure reservation. I won't be until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday. So he came in. He has a motorcycle here because the truck is still in Park City. The motorcycle. We had an extra pie
There's
back
a
home.
motorcycle back home.
We're in
With
San
the
Francisco.
pie.
San Francisco.
This
Neither
is
of my sons
Michael.
are married.
I don't, you know, I mean,
Michael's the one that had all the problems
I
we
know, I
found
know,
throughout
yeah.
the
Change.
And he sure has changed too, hasn't he?
Dad
He's
love
really,
him. Jeez,
really come through.
almighty.
whatever.
Canta, no llores. Are the entire staff and management ready to come about? Is the entire staff and management? Okay, here we go. Hard.
Gracie,
Ali.
are you with us, Grace?
Wait a
Turn
minute,
around,
don't let
look,
go,
Grace.
don't let go. Okay, let go on the right now. The won or lost in America's Cup right there.
Heavens.
Oh, look at it. We're still afloat. That's the main. Quite a lot more if you do
I
it.
think this
Let's just see
goddamn comet can go down there. I'm gonna bury it.
That's fine. That's too much over.
Pinch.
No, I can't.
Watch out, girls. He's gonna.
Have that in a roll.
Yeah, try to move that lock.
That's all he's gonna get.
And there we end our wonderful sail.